Read and Write for Google Chrome is available to all Grŵp Llandrillo Menai students. It offers support for everyday tasks with tools that meet the needs of different learners, like reading text aloud, understanding unfamiliar words, screen masking, talk and type, and much more. Read and Write for Google Chrome provides web support tools compatible with the common file types accessed via Google Drive, including Google Docs and Google Slides. It also works with web pages and emails. To get the most out of Read and Write, it is important to be signed in to your college Google Chrome account. Grŵp Llandrillo Menai pays a subscription to allow students and staff to access the full range of Read and Write features. Find the Read and Write extension in the Chrome Web Store. Search for it by name or click the link in the description below the video. The Read and Write Chrome extension icon is a purple jigsaw piece. You can now click to install. To pin the Read and Write extension to the top bar, click the extension icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing your enabled extensions. Click the push pin icon on the right-hand side so that the icon turns blue. Now, the Read and Write app will always be visible on the top bar when you are signed in to Google Chrome. Read and Write is now ready to be used. Open a Google Doc and click the Read and Write icon to use it. A toolbar will appear. Each icon on the toolbar represents a different tool. You can also use the Read and Write app on a web page. Just click the Read and Write icon when on your web page. A floating toolbar will appear. You can move the toolbar to where it is convenient for you. The available tools may differ slightly depending on the type of document you are viewing. When you click the tool you want to use, a purple line will appear underneath the icon to show it is active. You can also adjust your settings. Click the three-dot menu on the top right-hand side of the toolbar and then click Options. If you would like more information or further training on using Read and Write, please get in touch with Learning Technology by emailing learningtechnology@gllm.ac.uk.